Bring the virtual and real worlds together for immersive mixed reality experiences with VIVE Focus Vision. Set up your room for MR and start interacting with virtual objects and characters in your own space right away. Here's how. Open an app that supports the VIVE Focus Vision's MR room setup feature. In our first example, we'll use Jelby MR, a free mixed reality experience that you can enjoy on VIVE Focus Vision. You can download it from Viveport. When you launch Jelby, you'll first see what you need to do to set up your room specifically for Jelby's mixed reality experience. For instance, Jelby requires at least 2 walls, a window, and a desk. When you're ready, enter MR Room Setup. Begin by scanning your room. Select Scan Room from the menu, then select Start. Slowly move around your room while looking at the required elements. After you're done scanning, select Stop. Meshes and detected elements will be saved to your headset. Any elements that weren't detected or didn't meet the requirements will be displayed. Enter MR Room Setup again to manually add or edit an element. While adding or editing an element, you can measure it to make sure it meets the requirements. If your walls aren't accurately detected during the scan, here's how to redefine them. Select Reset Walls from the menu. Follow the on-screen tutorial and use hand gestures or the controller to mark the perimeter of your walls. To resize a desk, aim at the desk and pinch or press the trigger to select it. Then select Edit and adjust the edges of the desk as needed. To add a missing object, such as a window, select Add Objects from the menu and then select Window. Follow the on-screen tutorial to add a window to your room. Once your space meets all of Jelby's requirements, you're all set to play.
English. Let's draw another circle with a huge elephant.
In our second example, we'll use Yuki, a game that features mixed reality in its gameplay. When you switch Yuki to its MRcade mode for the first time, you'll be asked to set up your room for mixed reality in your headset settings. Close the app, then open Settings and go to Boundary. Then select Set Up next to Mixed Reality. Yuki only needs to use your room's walls for its mixed reality game mechanic. To use your headset to automatically detect your walls, select Scan Room. To define your walls manually, select Reset Walls. After setting up your room, you're good to go. Just launch Yuki again, switch to MRcade mode, and have fun. And that's it. Remember, the things you'll need to do to set up your room might vary slightly depending on the specific MR app you use, so be sure to check the app's instructions for any additional details. Now put on your headset and jump into the world of mixed reality.